Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to set up my eyes only on Snapchat. That is so easy and so quick. First of all, make sure that you're on your photo site on your Snapchat and then just swipe up, and as you can see you have four options right there: your snaps, your stories, your camera roll, or the main thing that we need to get it into this video, my eyes only. Click on it. And here, as you can see, I haven't set up my eyes only yet, but now with you I'm gonna set up. Go click on it, and here you need to create a password, for example 0000. Now I need to confirm it, then go continue, and right after that it is set up complete. Finish. Go with 0000. Here I have unlocked it, and now guys, you know how to set up my eyes only on Snapchat. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.